Hello there, guys. It's Friday the 13th, and it's Christmas. Wait. No, it isn't. It's May, not December. Yep. I think I know what it is. It is a blizzard, guys. But before I show you the rest of this new Adopt Me update, please like and subscribe and turn on notifications so then you'll never miss a new video. And let's reach 600 subscribers. And without further ado, let us show you Adopt Me's latest update. So, the desert update. Let's just say they added the opposite. So, now, everything's all snowy again. And there's the igloo. This has to be new. And yes, you can now ice skate. Oh, this is so much fun. Let's see, who should I take out today? Spiky Boy! It's time for you to shine. Today where you can come out. Alright, let's go to this new shop. "11 hours until it's gone." Let's check out what they have for us. Whoa. Whoa, are those seagulls? Are they seagulls? And that must be the opposite of an Abyssinian cat. A seal! Oh, finally! I've been waiting so much for that. So, if you don't remember, you remember when they added the walruses? I thought it was a seal, but I was very disappointed that they didn't add seals. But now they finally added them. A clam. "50 albatrosses." Oh, so they're not seagulls, they're albatrosses. Because they look similar, I have to say. Alright. Whoa. Let's look at the Petware first. Snowflake badge. Snowflake earrings. Similar to the ones from the Christmas update. Tundra Explorer goggles. Cozy snow scarf. Earmuffs. Whoa, cloud wings. Oh, I cannot afford that. A cozy snow hat. Snowflake. And we're back to the beginning. That's the Petware. There are toys in here. 800 for a snow balloon. 5,000. 5,000 for that. I'd rather buy a gift and get a grappling hook, since this will be coming back, just like the drought from the desert update. Oh, what's this? Ribbon seal. Oh, it's cat. Yep. It's just like the Abyssinian cat. Is that the way you pronounce it? Yeah. Just the way I do it. There's a ski pogo. Snow scarf. Snowman plushie friend. Tundra violin. A snowmobile. Mini snowmobile. Little mini one. A snowplow. And a Tundra exploration machine. Whoa, they have now... Wow. I actually gotta say, they really outdone themselves. This looks, I don't know, I just have to say this, but this looks amazing, look. It gives me good vibes. Alright, what's this? The clam which the seal was on about. Yup, it must be Robux. Yep, I'm gonna purchase it. Okay. Fetch. Aw, I got a normal one. Whoa. Whoa, this is bigger than I thought. This is so big. Like, so big to the point of like, it's like the size of my body almost. It's like the same, it's almost like the same like length as me. Whoa, this one's actually a big one. Finally, we have a big boy. Alright. The last thing we need to check out is, yes, their neon and mega neon forms. Alright, normal albatross. This is an ultra rare. So it's neon. Oh, it's practically almost the same but lighter. I'm not surprised how this is gonna look like. Yeah, the mega neon just always has to stay the same. Legendaries. Well, that's the diamond one. Let's check out the gold one. So this is how the golden one looks like. Let's see its neon form. Whoa, it glows white. And no big changes here. Okay, blue. Close, it's kind of like an icy blue color. Cyany. I don't really know how to describe that. Yep, just like the rest. Only certain legendaries glow only a few colors. Not, you know what I mean, like the evil unicorn, the bat dragon. So yeah, their mega neon forms glow that. I think that's all of them. Wait. If I don't recall, yep, we have a ribbon seal. Ribbon seal. Whoa. Finally, they added something which I actually wanted. A seal! Neon. It reminds me of it being covered in ice, like some of it's covered in like ice ropes. Or like ice ribbons, if that's even a thing. Do icy ribbons even exist? Hey ho. You know, yep, we all know how that's gonna look like. Not big surprise. Come on, ribbon seal. Let's go to the outdoors. Wow, they've definitely outdone themselves. They've added what I wanted. They actually added a seal. They added a seal, they added a seal, and that's what I always wanted. Ever since the Christmas 2021, back then, I thought that was a seal. It was a walrus, it turned out to be, but it's a seal. The walrus is going to be more valuable than the seal, of course, because the seal will be returning. Because if you didn't know, the drought and the blizzards will come back and the shops will be open. The desert shop is right here. And the blizzard shop, I guess you can call it, will be right there. But for now, that's got to wrap it up. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe. We must reach 600 subscribers as our next goal. Also, make sure to turn on the notifications so then you'll never miss a new video. Comments that you have subscribed. I always want to see if you guys are new to the channel or not. And that's it. Remember to subscribe. Must reach 600. But for now, goodbye!